Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are reviewing some black masks. You know, with the way things are going, it's time us pilgrims, we get on board with these masks. So, oh wow, this is really nice. They are a nice cloth mask. Stretchable, expandable. They are washable and reusable. So you get a nice pack of them. Check it out, guys. I kind of feel like a ninja. So, yeah, they work great. Actually, I do like them. They actually look nice, too. They have the really easy tightening feature. So, I don't know if you guys can see this on the end, but if you pull this down, you can tighten the strap of it just like that and pull it up to loosen the strap. That way you can make it tighter around your ears or looser. So overall, it's a nice pack. You get a nice amount of them. Overall, yeah, the quality seems good. The stitching seems good. Everything seems good about them. No complaints. It's always good to have extra masks on hand, multiple places, your vehicle and whatnot. All right, guys, see you next on the next review.